The 018 and Montreal come out first. 018, then Montreal, and then the ordinary water comes out last. So when the vapor that's left behind, it gets lighter and lighter as it comes.
So could you tell me what exactly it was you did with the project?
Sure, no problem. My name is James Snider. I'm on the Conservation Science Practice Team for WWF Canada. I'm here at IPY 2012 in Montreal presenting the RACER project and specifically some of the remote sensing analysis that we completed for that project, identifying areas of high primary productivity and high diversity on the landscape in the central Canadian tundra. That work is intended really to identify key features that confer resilience at the ecoregional scale. And so what we've done with this IPY poster is illustrating specifically some of the methods that we've developed as part of the RACER project to identify those key areas. One, based on primary productivity, and two, based on landform heterogeneity as a proxy for diversity on the landscape.
So can you tell me what resilience at an ecosystemic scale means?
That's a tough question. Yes, so resilience essentially is this concept of the ability of an ecological system to rebound or withstand change. So given a disturbance, that we're able to actually stay within the same parameters of the system as it is currently defined. So the other side of the resilience question would be a tipping point. So where a disturbance is actually reached and an ecological system changes into a new entity, let's say. So the biological characteristics of that system are no longer the same. So what we're trying to do with RACER essentially is define characteristics of the system as they are today and identify what types of ecosystems are in fact resilient. Our fundamental assumption is that these areas of primary productivity and diversity confer resilience to ecological systems, and that is towards the creation and maintenance of biological diversity.
So in simple terms, is it like the more critters there are in any given area, the more likely it is to be resilient?
So in terms of the analysis that we've completed, primary productivity, so that's the productivity of vegetation, for instance, in the terrestrial system, or in chlorophyll, or zooplankton, phytoplankton in the marine system, these are sort of the underpinnings of the larger biological system. So what large mammals, for instance, would require in a food web, whether it's bowhead whales, whether it's caribou, whether it's muskox in a terrestrial system.
Thank you.